phone. Whispering, they talking. Probably cause I'm popping. Who's that right there? Who's he? Who's that right there? Not with me, they can't stop me. Nah. Who's that right there? I'm him. Who's that right there?
All right, guys, welcome back to LM Diesel, and we're here at Texas Truck Jam 2022. We got my truck here, which is actually looking very clean for once, and then we also have Daniel Gunlock's 4th gen here, all cleaned up. So we're in the show and shine today. My truck's not that showy, but it's shined as best we can. We're gonna meet some people and hang out. We got a big lineup of trucks behind us here to start drag racing, so we'll get some of that. So once again, I have been roped into dynoing my truck. I wasn't planning on doing it, but we're here at this place. We have a way to get it home if for, you know, for some reason something happens, and everyone's gonna do their trucks right now. So Chris is gonna dyno the Mega Cab, Alex is gonna dyno his truck, and we got a couple other trucks in the lineup that we're gonna try. Even Daniel Gunlock, my buddy, came out, he's gonna dyno his 4th gen with a couple mods on it. We'll see what it does, but all in all, it should be a pretty good day. We'll see y'all on the dyno. Let's see what these trucks make. So, what's gonna happen?
So,
on the dyno, what's gonna happen?
I got an idea. Except it brings a lot of politics. We're not doing anything with the green truck. We're tired, we're broke. The truck's in sled pull trim, so we just got it kind of sitting on vendor row in a little booth, hanging out, talking to people. We're gonna dyno all of our other crap. We'll dyno my Mega daily driver, Alex's 4th gen daily driver, Ty's 2002 12 valve, and then got a customer and a friend, Michael Brown, has like a 06, 07 3rd gen dually Mega Cab. It's a motor we built, training we fixed up. It's got a GT42 and a GT91, or a GT4202 and a S491 from Austin Tate. They're both ball bearing, they're both battery chargers, Flux 350% and a good kit. So it should make a good number, but it's hot. It's hot as all get out. And then we got yours, obviously. Euro 6, 5.9, single, 100%, right?
Yep.
So that's the plan. It's good and hot, so it'll be a nice, huge, smoky mess. Lots of nitrous.
Good.
Sound good?
Sound good.
All right, let's do it.
Hey, Daniel, how do you feel about dynoing your truck for the first time?
A little nervous, but we'll see. I have a feeling I'll be underwhelmed.
What are those? We got Jared over here.
Yes, sir.
You ready to see a truck blow up?
I'm ready, dude. I'm ready. I'm ready to watch your truck blow up.
Yeah, I hope it doesn't blow up. If my truck blows up, I'm gonna be pissed. Really, my wife will be more pissed. So we're gonna hope that it doesn't blow up. So, Jared's like, it's gonna blow up. So let's start lining up and see what happens. Woo. Good. Tell us about your rig here, man.
It's a 1667, has an iron horse turbo and exhaust manifold, Rev Max valve body. I'm not sure what converter's in it. It's aftermarket, I don't know. I bought the truck with it, and just a tune, that's about it.
What are you hoping to make with it?
Probably, I would hope at least 450, I would hope. So yeah. We'll shoot for that.
He's also rocking my old rims on accident.
Yeah, didn't even mean to do that.
I love 4th gens. And with the wider tires on it too, and the gray and the bumper, it's very aggressive on the road, which I like. down here on the track. We got trucks going behind me, going right here. We got Daniel Gunlock's truck here. Let her eat. And then we got the dyno behind me there. So we got our trucks lined up, and we're gonna spray it and see if we can't make a good number with this thing. So let's freaking do it. All right, we got Gunlock about to hit the dyno. Let's see what he makes. Woo. How we feeling?
Brake nervous. Brakes when you fire a good shot.
Back to send it. My man's repping the LM Diesel sticker. Well, man, how'd she do?
Well, and I went ahead and went to tune 5. It was pretty healthy EGTs. Did 449, 450. That's what we guessed.
What was it?
449, 450.
Okay,
So,
449.
Pretty much exactly what we guessed.
Heck yeah, dude. That's good. Heck yeah. 449.
904
fortune.
904 foot-pounds.
904?
Yep.
Pretty good. Heck yeah. Motor still sounds good.
Yeah.
Excited?
Yeah, I'm excited. We're hoping for a good number. We'll see what she does. We'll do the first run in tune 3, second in tune 4. But it is hot today, man. Alright, so we just finished dynoing. Truck made 829, and I think we might have lost the head gasket. Truck's a little warm, but how did it look, Jared?
Looks good. Looks really good. Yeah. Came off clean.
Heck yeah, I think we lifted the head a little bit. There's still there's no fluid in there.
There's no fluid. It just came out the reservoir that
Oh, it came out here?
Yeah, on the side. No. I'm sorry. On the small tube on the bottom end. Where it's supposed to. Yeah.
Oh, okay. If that's the case, then it might have just pushed it all out, low key.
I think that's probably what happened. Genuinely is all right. Yeah.
Dude, if that's the case, heck yeah, bro. Heck yeah. You just need some coolant, man.
Yeah.
Heck yeah, dude. What'd it make?
385. It's so hot, dude.
Dude, it is so freaking hot.
Yeah, so we're just gonna spray it.
Are you gonna spray it?
Yeah.
Okay. We got Chris with the axe over here.
Oh yeah, man. It's hot as hell out here. You gotta do everything you can.
So, right, so Alex is about to go.
10 mil pump, Peterbilt 64 VGT.
Okay.
Head stud, push rod, valve spring. Maybe that was actually just head stud up there. Pretty sweet, simple.
So we'll see what it makes. So Alex, what did yours end up making?
630.
630?
Yeah.
What foot-pounds?
I didn't even look. I was excited to see over 6.
That was good on a day like this.
So,
Heck yeah, man. That's awesome. What'd it do? 1,000?
1,000 and 1,300.
That's pretty good. You know, it's funny, we had the same torque.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's good.
Hey.
I got variable compression though. Each rod's a little different
that's
length.
good.
Yeah,
Real good.
yeah, it's a new thing, new technology.
Heck yeah.
Yeah, it's still running, so I can drive it home. So that's cool.
That's cool. I mean, look how long.
Hey, don't look too close. Certified box.
There you go. So the setup behind me is got a laundry list of parts. Built by Chris, pretty much in shop, but big set of compounds, built engine, pretty much everything that can be done has been done to this truck. He's shooting for 2K. On this really hot day, we'll see. I know he's probably gonna spray it. So let's see what it makes. All right, so unfortunately we gotta leave a little early. I got a video shoot I have to get to, but it is also ridiculously hot, so I'm kind of glad to leave. Truck did like 829 with like 1,300 foot-pounds of torque. I think it lifted the head a little bit, shot some coolant out, but I refilled it. It seems to be happy. So I'm gonna drive it to the video shoot. Taylor's gonna follow behind me, just make sure everything's good. It should be fine. But yeah, so Truck Jam 2022 in the books. It was a great time. Wish I had gotten some more footage of people's trucks, but it is what it is.